Would you agree that the most valuable asset owned by a software engineering company is the knowledge held by its employees? It is no wonder then that companies will go to great lengths to protect this knowledge. However, the way they usually do this is by using codification strategies. Yes, we try to document everything all the time. But is this really a realistic endeavor, especially considering the fast-paced world of software engineering? Hi there, my name is Micallef, and I have been involved in software testing for over 20 years now. Today I work at the University of Malta, where a big part of what we do is study the human being in software engineering and software testing. In this talk, I will be discussing a different approach to identify and protect company knowledge. We call it a cartographic or mapping approach, and it highlights risks to knowledge assets using non-intrusive and automated means. I look forward to seeing you there.